Fantastic morning. I'm so say good evening some to also say Bedwam go Kensi na no pay wala naturally now what time golden about mixture and of course Badwam about mixture and dey sia konkon. That is some no bro and anopay and of course Sergio Manucho Bernard Paributwe the producers Kidwana Gasani Eric Asiedu e be sha say the UEFA Champions League and shocking results. Real Madrid tonight AC Milan betching no more man need a hot cray. Man City ko lose to Sporting Lisbon. Yes, coach now be coach United no achieve Pep Guardiola yen ho adwuma and rapa anya easy cry. And of course Liverpool actually Leverkusen and so share fie e na mumu yenko games ni bo. Yen share the other results na fe ahwe na share so horrible results I call so our games ni mo na ye share that results yen share that results no that results ko pie mo wo and right games ni mo team say yes na interesting PSV about Girona by 4-0 Bratislava. Dynamo Zagreb born a Kanai Maneti Mobako, but Dortmund Tenafi Boston Graz by just a goal. And Bologna, Tenafi Monaco be born 1-0, Celtic Tenafi ball Leipzig 3-1. Lille, Niju Vicente share and acquire 1-1 Liverpool. Actually, Leverkusen born 4-0. Wow. Real Madrid Tifie Milan born 3-1. Na Sporting Sochi Mazda and the results in the Humpa. But Yenshe and net fishes no. Club Brugge and Aston Villa, Shakhtar Donetsk and Young Boys. Bayern Munich and Benfica, Red Star Belgrade and Barcelona and the Ebony in the final and Salzburg about Inter Milan and Arsenal. That's a big game. Paris Saint-Germain and Atletico de Madrid. Nothing so Sparta Praha. I'm going to Brest about Atlanta away to Stuttgart. We in match Basel in the UEFA Champions League. You want some so brewo and now. Yemfa Black Stars and Sunny Ako now president of the Association of Rackets ES Kreku and then send me better just so I could share German phobia or her say you benya a new coach for the Black Stars near the idea. The Ghana Football Association in Chimwaba.
I won't crata GF no boy and ra at the Badwam teneno. Oma can pefe send some no nucrobianim. Nena no akate craku a GF Tibrek called German no. One puma penny for the coding kita a quiet and tidy shame. Ni titire national teams no be koye nti ene okoye woni broni bia nkwanko din komo amfa Black Stars adwuma ne ho afi o man kokan sikasem de odwea ne se Ghana football no be kosoro coach Utado a say o yetrene de ma Black Stars no agf ni se o mani so ne pa o mate asese ne ma nkoye nansen eno nkire se o mo fa kire boko no mani broni bia kodin komo Germany a Sikapudu and Sempirefo de to Montreno, eno eye guomoni mase. Eno tinkrata mabodi abano. Omo kachira mansan so munyai, na nyesa na se dodo na tokoso etwa ntro di to omo so a. Ombatwe obi edina kogina asem dibia, no wakwa yi ne ho ano.
Right, and see, Benoni, the course so the Ghana Football Association name Diaba. Bet power, so they are about to just 7 million Ghana cedis. One more they be share elite women and men's football mo our Ghana. You two mo yellow, one on managing director, my Bet power, this answer winner to you.
Reach a partnership to extend what we have done with GFA by again supporting the Premier League with this initiative called the Local Room Bonus and actually extending the same to women with the Women FA Cup. Starting with the stage of the 16, we will be giving to all women in the squad list of the winning team 400 cedis, which is the same amount that we will be giving as well to the men that will be winning a game in the Premier League during the 2024-2025 season. We have seen how men have been benefiting from this sponsorship, and we did appreciate the call from the president of GFA and his team to do the same for women. We see the rise of women football on the continent. I mean, you have seen African team being qualified for the World Cup. And I do believe that today, actually, the gap between the women teams and in the continent and the teams outside Africa is not as big as the gap that you can see for the men. So we wanted to make sure that the winning women are also benefiting from the same.
Right, and only and someone into the yellow, or managing director, my bet power, or the Tuja, Ewo, and a Ghanaian boxer Josh Lai, Abafie, Nano Kopie Mukwati, or man any mupa, and the first the national fight, our USA, Josh Akuri Niaba, Yankosa story anymore.
Expensive boxer and run a nyagro au kutukawi mission jina biao o manfu o motibu kom ne mpate mu nyina o mu bepie bia hono mu a eni gye ne o se body na nyagro na wotwe awie ye abofra kuma ya wadi mfinhia aduonu mienu no eti Ghana nim wabra wo kira Alexander Magia ya ofini korago apo no awo lighter weight akutuku bonim wo my Ghana obi ani age ese John Laye akwakwati ne ho anim sei ya no beboa no ne kare amu sesi ani gye yabai na chitaafo abusuafo wo my Ghana nipa bia omote box na ase no omansini fom kra omopagya ne si agongon a ne belt odi fra America e de baaye no odi ponu mu afi oni ni coach Kaloko dodo na bonsem esa kansempa de fa won sisi a John Laye apa Ghana no wabagina ho me kakra no wasan siesie ne ho na santokwa bi san yi ne tie a waginam atoto ne nsa ate o my Ghana ni
Right, wala natural mineral water can one of in some of wala natural mineral water no musu keke no musu pa wala musu rebia so pe wala onibia na say why careful horomo onom bia wala Samsona golden eba mixture heba remedy malaria na chidom nyina de few of course boatma eba mixture ma libido wajina na so ba ujina na so bema boatma eba mixture AMA ability fair and so a basel and from the 2nd to the 10th the ashasi that akra enye easy cry and teacher and so self mame is a better we vendor we visitor person experience be bia person we bia de ho jibo no 0533 441 967 Sergio Manucho Bernard Padi bo twemi producers kejuana kasa ni Eric Asiedu bwedi koso ahebedwom